Okay, now let us begin with this. Question number 22. This question is out of syllabus, which was in the 2016 syllabus, now in 2023 syllabus. It's not there, but anyway, we will do this. The Feynman diagram is shown over here. So as you recognize here, UUD corresponds to a proton, and this one is U once again, and this is D once again. You have UDD, which corresponds to neutron. Thus, if I want to write this example over here, I can just write, okay? So I have to write an equation. So before doing this, let us look at the options here. See, there are protons on either sides of the equations. Let us remove these protons. Let us remove these protons. And okay, I have not started the timer. Okay, fine. Yeah. Let us remove these protons on both of them so that you get only one sort of equation, which is proton giving rise to neutron plus pi plus. See, this is your proton, this is your neutron, and then you have a pi plus, pi minus, pi plus, pi minus. Any one of them is right over here. Okay, now how do we understand which one is a pi plus, which one is a minus? So towards it, in order for a reaction to be true, the charge should be conserved. What is the charge on the left hand side? Here it is positive, here it is 0, and if this is minus 1, minus pi minus, it will become minus 1 here. Since you have a pi plus over here, this should be plus 1 over here. So therefore, this should be correct, this is incorrect. Now here, is this correct? No, because it is n bar, which is incorrect because the antiparticle. This is incorrect. So this, as we know, because of charge conservation, this is also incorrect. So therefore, option A is the right option. Okay, let us move on to the 23rd question.